Now in case we want to center align our text, then what we can do is that we can use text dash align and center. Let me show you that. So first let me open this file, or better to say run this file, and here you can see that the text is coming in the normal left aligned. Okay, now if we want to make it center aligned, then what we can do is that we can write body and then text align is center. So what will happen is the element on which we have applied the CSS, in this case a body, text will come into the center, as you can see. If we want to make a right align, then we can say right, and it will come in right side of the browser. So this was how to align the text. Now in case we want to remove any decorations from the text, then we can write text dash decoration none. For example, let's say suppose here we are writing a href equal to border.html, and then we are writing go to border.html. Now when we run this page, you will see that by default the link will have a underline, go to border.html. If we want to remove any decorations that is coming here, then we can add a style text decoration none. So in this case what will happen, you can see that all the decorations, extra decorations is going off from this particular link. So now the next is the transform. For example, let's say suppose I want to capitalize the text of this link, so I can then I can write text transform equal to capitalize. Now here you will notice that all the text will come in, all the first character of this link will come in the capital, go to border HTML. In case we want to convert to the uppercase, then we can write text dash transform uppercase, and all the text of this link will come into the uppercase. Now in case we want to specify indent for the paragraph, then we can write text dash indent and whatever indent we want to specify. So for example, here what I want to do is that I want to specify indent, so text dash indent, and I am saying maybe 100 pixel. So what will happen, the first line of this paragraph, let me make it normal actually, you can see that the first line of this paragraph having the indent of 100 pixel. If you want to make it 50 pixel, then I can write 50, and the first line indent will change to 50 pixel. In case we want to specify some font related styles into CSS, then we can use font related CSS properties. So for example, let's see this example over. So this page, in this page what I am doing is that I am saying that whatever paragraph is there in this page all should get applied with font family Arial, Times New Roman, Vardhana, font size 30, font style italic, font weight bold, and color pink. Now you may ask a question that why I have a special font dash family Arial, then comma Times New Roman, then comma Vardhana. In this case what will happen is that if Arial font is available into a client machine, then Arial font will get applied for the text. If Arial is not available, then Times New Roman will get applied. If Times New Roman is also not there, then Vardhana will get applied. If Vardhana is also not there, then whatever default font is sent into the client's browser, that will get applied for the text. Now here I have written Times New Roman in double inverted comma because the names having the space. So in case any font name have any space, then we have to specify that font name into double inverted comma. Now here what will happen when I will run this page, you will notice that the text will have all the styles that I have set here related with font. So font family is Arial. Now font size is 30 pixel. Font style is italic, as you can see. Font weight is bold, and pink color is pink. Now let us remove this bold. Then you will see that only italic will come. If I will make color here equal to, for example, red, then it will come into the red color. So in case we have to specify font styles into CSS, then we will use font related CSS properties. Now in this we are going to learn the link related CSS style. For example, in case we want to change the link color of the page, then we can use a and then colon link. In case we want to change the visited link color, it means that the page that has been visited, for that page link, if we want to change, then we can use a colon visited. In case we want to change the link color when a user is hovering the mouse on that, then we can use a colon hover. And in case we want to change the link that is active, then we can use a colon active. So let me show you that with example. In this case, you can see that I have written these many styles: a link, a visited, a hover, a and active. Here a stands for the anchor tag. Now let me go ahead and run this page. As you can see that right now both is coming in blue color because it is a normal link. Now let me go ahead and browse the first link. As soon as I have clicked on the first link, you can see that I am going to .NETFunda.com because that's what we have specified here in the ahref equal to. Now if I will go back, because I have already visited the .NETFunda.com website, so you can see that that color is by default maroon. It means that this is getting applied, a and visited is getting applied. Now when I am mouse hovering, you can see that the link color is changing to red. It means that a and hover style is getting applied. And when I am clicking this link and I am not leaving it the mouse, then you can see that the color is of the link is changing to pink, because that's what we have specified, a colon active, color equal to pink. So this is the way to specify the link color, visited link color, hover link color and the active link color. The next topic in CSS we are going to learn is about the list. So in case we want to change the bullet style of the unordered list, then we can use list style related CSS properties. So let me go ahead and show you that. Here is my list related files. So here what we have done is that we have written ul is means unordered list. So let me first remove all these things and also comment all these things. Okay, yes. And now first let me run this page and show you how it is appearing. 1 minute. Looks like this commenting is not getting applied. Okay, so here you go. Now you can see that in the both cases it is coming a normal bullet color in the unordered list. Okay, so it is just dot 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 and I am getting all the items. Now let me go ahead and first uncomment the first CSS style that we have written. So here it is ul dot a. Dot a means I am saying that class. So class is a here. Now what will happen is that when I will run this page, the list style of this unordered list will change to a square. So instead of circle, the normal bullet, it will come in a square. You can see that it is coming a square. Now there are many other also. I want to make it circle. Okay, and now when I will run this page, you will see that the bullet style is coming in circle. Now in case we want to specify the bullet style as the custom images here, so for example here I am specifying button. So button.gif. Now what will happen is that instead of the square or the bullet style, the normal bullet style, it will come button. See here, first, second and third. So instead of bullet it is coming button now. Now you may ask a question that despite the fact that we have written class is equal to A for the first unordered list, why the second class is getting applied? This is getting applied because this UL is applicable for all. It means that it's parent itself. So this class is getting overridden here. Okay. So if you will specify any class attribute for the UL or any div element, and you are specifying any CSS style for the node itself, for the HTML element itself, then the class attribute will get overridden, as you can see it here.